What's up? My name is Graham Cochrane. I'm a business coach, author, speaker, and YouTube content creator. I've basically been running organic for 16 years. I've been in 2 different brands and I've built a really successful business with just organic content. Never run ads. And I felt like I was hitting a bit of a ceiling plateau the last couple of years and diving into some new initiatives. I knew I just wanted to get in front of more people faster. And so I knew ads was the way to go, but I'd never run ads. Like, that's just not my world. That's not my strength. I don't know that world. So for me, that stuff's overwhelming. I mean, if you look at the ads manager, it's crazy looking. I'm much better at teaching, training, coaching, doing my thing, helping my clients win. So I needed help, but I had heard like horror stories about ad agencies. And so when I met Steven and the team at RFA, and I heard what they were doing and the way they're actually training you up so you actually don't even need an agency, it like blew my mind. Within the first, I think it was the first week of running ads that they helped me set up, and they're like, hey, film this, do this, this makes sense. Within a week, we already had customers and we were making money off those ads, like from day one. And so I was sold on the concept because then it's just the math makes sense. We just need to ramp it up. Now they're helping train my marketing assistant to run those ads. So I'll never have to hire an agency. Literally my cost are just the ads, right? And so it's insane. The model they have, it makes so much sense. They've made it so easy. I feel like working with Steven specifically, he can explain ads and the meta world and the ad manager world in a way that I can understand. And I'm a teacher, I'm a coach, I'm a speaker, I'm not an ads guru. So for me, a whole new like world's been unlocked, and I finally feel like I have partner in getting it unlocked, and I feel educated. I like to understand everything I'm employing in my business, even if I don't have to touch it or run it. I want to know it and understand it. And that's exactly what I feel like I got with RFA, is an education. They got it up and running. And now we have a whole untapped resource for getting leads into my business, but more importantly, getting customers into my business from day one. I can't recommend RFA enough. Like, it's a no-brainer. Work with them. Your business will blow up because of it, and you'll feel like you have a partner along the way.